Hello guys, let's start with the next series of programs in C using Linux and the compilation in Ubuntu. So let's doing some exercise by the teacher Virush Piroshka of the University of Debrecen. This program starts with the even and odd number. At the beginning we must our include stdio library stdio.h. If you want to make colors in your program, you must save it this program. So let's go to the file and save as. Let's put this in the folder BALO. So this is let's call numbers.c. So as you can see, there's starting the colors. So let's call the integers int n, comma, and then the I, just to make the properly operations, and then let's print the information of the user. So print f. After we print the f, we want to ask to the user number. So n is equal to where the user can ask where is going to save this number in the scanf. And remember, because this is a string, we must put %decimal. We put comma, ampersand, and then the number where we want to save it, which is n. Can you check this? N and the n declare in the integer. Let's put a semicolon. I'm sorry, it's outside the semicolon. And after that we save it, let's use one while. With this while inside, we must declare our operation, which is the n. This n is what we declare here, and the user put. Let me clarify. I'm going to put once again this n. So if n is not or equal than 0, if the user do not press 0, so in parentheses let's do the action. If, let me put something here. Okay, if once again the n, where the user is putting the numbers, model 2, that is something divided, and the remaining is going to be 0, just 1 0. Okay, if that is happened, that means this is an even number. So let's go on print f. Let's send the message to the user, %d is even number. Let's put one jump space, and obviously the semicolon. Else, what happened if not? So if not, that means that is an odd number. So else printf, and then the message inside. This message is going to be remember %d, because we want to call this number and print it in the console, is odd number, and then the comma. Let me put one jump here, jump offline, and then the number n. I missed it here, is n also. Okay, so we have called this cycle, and it's really important, this part. If not, we are going to once again ask to the user for the number and for the scanf, the number that the user is going to save the information. So let's copy and paste printf in printf. So the user is going to put numbers over and over until he presses the 0. If so, that means everything is fine. So we're going to end the program with 1 return 0 and the semicolon. I forget to put this enclosure in one main function, so remember, put int main, then in between parentheses this parentheses encloses all the programs. So this is it. This file and save it. And we can go to our terminal. In our terminal, let's go to our folder, which is cd space dlo. Once we are here, we can check with ls where is our program. Our program is this one, numbers.c. So remember, for compile, we need to go with the following line: gcc, which stands for compile, then minus warning o, minus, we need the o, minus o means for output. Let's put one name. Let's call numbers, and then the correct name of the file, which is numbers.c. Remember, this part of numbers is just a name, a simple name. We can put any name that you want. So let's see if we succeed in this exercise. And we have here one little problem. It's in using the I, and yeah, that's true. So this minus w all warning is really good tool, because we can have all our issues, and the terminal sign where is the problem. So as you can see, this line, this little row, go or stands in the I. So let's erase in our program just the I and left the N. So let's go once again, save it, and let's do the same action. I just go row up, and that's it. We have our program. Let's compile. Well, we compile already. It's just to run the program with /dash and then the name of the program, which is numbers. I'm sorry, numbers. Okay, so the program asks for the first number, so I'm going to put 3. 3 is an odd number. 4 even number. 5, and well, that's it. It's working. Let's press the 0, and it's finished the program. So thank you for watching this video. Let's continue with another things. So see you then.